Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 12th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the pound yen, I do think there is a possibility this is an X on like the daily and we possibly make a much bigger move down. But we have to be very cautious about that possibility because the monthly time frame is up, the weekly is up, and the daily is up. Yes, the 4 hour is down, but that means that this possibly could just be a pullback within the uptrend because every single higher time frame is up. So I would be very cautious about that, and I would be paying very, very, very close attention to my fib levels. If price does turn back up at a Fibonacci level, then I would definitely stop looking for any shorts, and I would definitely start looking for longs again, 100%. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, if you're a very short time frame trader, you could be looking for shorts. But while you're looking for shorts, keep a very close eye on these fib levels. If you get like a double bottom at any one of these fib levels, and then a break of structure to the upside, then that is definitely the shape of an ABC. And I would definitely stop looking for shorts, and I would definitely go back to longs, especially because the monthly, weekly, and daily time frame are all definitely still in an uptrend. So as always, the trend is your friend. Yes, the 4 hour is drifting down, but if the 4 hour is down and every other time frame is up, then you kind of have to presume that the move down is likely just a correction to the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.